Hi everyone, the green package can let the product stand out from the crowd. But how do I get custom package for my products for resale? First 3. Choose the most suitable bed types for products. We have standard beds, 3 size silk beds, middle silk beds, irregular shape beds, and so on. Secondly, you need to confirm the bed size, like the width and height. If you are not sure about that, you can go to the supermarket to get some beds to test with your product. You also can provide me with the backup city you wanted. We will give you some recommendations. Thirdly, the most important thing is the back design. For custom beds, we will need your vector design field like AI or PSD for a bag. For better effect, you can go to Fiverr, Upwork, or 99 Design to mirror designs. They just need $50 to $100 pieces. First, you can select some attractive surface fabric package, like matte, glossy, UV, holographic, metalized, and so on. If you have no idea of the package yet, please contact me. We can give you some recommendations according to the market. Follow us for more information.